Need to go to Mombasa with Bonfire. Need to go and check them out, sweetie, right?
Right now.
Or maybe another time. This is Canaranda Plus supermarket.
Yes, we need to enter here. I get somebody something.
Yeah. Hey, look at that big wine.
Actually, this is
So big. Yeah, family. So we're in a place called it's House of Leather and Gifts. We're looking for like decor and stuff. Wow, it's Mother's Day time. Mother's Day.
attitude. The love between the mother and her daughter.
I guess Mother's Day started to celebrate now. It's a nice card. Well, let's see if we can get some gifts. Gifts.
Kuna
Why?
size 41. Very good.
These are all the Mother's Day gifts. Mother's Day. Oh, this is nice. Yeah? Deco. Yeah. This one. Manual meat wrangler. It's like a grinder to grind up meat. All soft leather. So we're entering our family House of Leather. All the gifts you can find, you will find it there.
Yeah, anything.
That's why I don't want to dance to that song. Which song is this song? Eh? Oh, those are the deco. We're looking for deco to put inside the house family. These are some of the deco. Even that elephant is nice there.
That song you sing?
Yeah.
So, how much are they? Because I want to bring them for this, right?
Yeah, you can put that one. Yeah.
Mr. Day of 8 males and 22 females in the child age around 11 years and
Yeah.
trauma.
These are the laundry basket, these. This is a laundry. This one is nice. But I've got too much the house, don't you?
Because of my cousin. Something that is attached to you.
Yeah.
It's
Mr. Lion.
Lion.
Yeah. Very nice. Wow, look at this one.
Tumetoa ni Tuesday na kisha kuanga hii dem na jina maanisha nini tunarudi weba the fast no vile
Elijah.
With your captain, Patrick Gonzalez, street disciple, and First Officer Bensu.
Black. With picture frame, sweetie. Eh? Picture frame. too. You need some of this really for the house, like on the wall, deco. Right? You see? Yeah. I like the wooden clock because look at this wooden one right here.
But that one has like a catchy.
That one? Yeah, for sure.
I hope I'll still find these offer.
A lot of things for kids, family, kids. What I like with this place, you walk around in circles, so you don't. It's so easy for you to, you just keep walking.
It's like a walkway.
It's like a walkway, you just walk straight in a circle until you reach at the cashier.
By the way, you can't
Yeah.
escape the inside.
Yeah. So it's a very, I like how it's set up. Yeah, family. So we finished with House of Leather. This is Ridgeway. Ridgeway Mall. This is House of Leather. Find everything, gifts. Mother's Day is coming up, so you find all the gifts there. Actually, Chanaranda are getting some natural juice. This is 3 tomato. You said no preservative, nothing added, right? Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I think this is actually the. Normally we don't shop here,
No.
but that's the first time we're actually going through this supermarket. It's owned by the Indians. Yeah, it's nice. I find it's very good. Yeah. That's really cool.
You wanted me to read my glasses?
Chanaranda. Chanaranda.
Oh, I like this wooden.
Yeah.
It's like that one you were saying.
That is bamboo one here.
Look at this bamboo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Even if this is- how much are they going for?
Its price is there. One says 15, 13, 50,
Well,
2007 up top.
the other one was plastic.
Chanaranda. Chanaranda.
Let me see how much people are selling sometimes.
How much is it? 1,000.
It's again expensive.
It's a little bit expensive, yeah.
18.99.
18.99. So you want jig, right? I'll just maybe go to Quick Mart to get the nuts and stuff and the chapati.
Different.
Anyone in normally see, I don't know. It's buy one, get one free. Blue and white. That's the difference.
The difference is that this one is for washing white clothes.
Yeah.
This one is for washing a colored cloth that has been stained on another. Although I don't normally see it removing, but let me get this thing.
Yeah. Too white.
I don't normally see it removing well, imagine when you ask.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just talking.
Yeah, it's just okay. I don't know about
It's
it.
just advertisement. Right. Mess up your hand. Just wipe it on your thing there, sweetie. That's a deco, right? Yeah, it's nice. 4,000. Mm. See the one we have a tail we can get. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, family, we just get back from Chanaranda, and we bought a natural juice. It's 3 tomato juice. The real tomato is 3 tomato. How it tastes?
Super.
Wow.
So nice.
So nice.
But
3
it's
tomato.
very fresh.
It's fresh.
It didn't lie to us.
Wow. It's good and rich in iron. You must drink this.
You also need to drink it. Because my head is aching.
Wow.
There's a place we once bought straight tomato juice, and it was not as thick.
Yeah, this is very
They
thick
really made it nicely.
and rich. Thick and rich. Wow. Your family. 3 tomato at Chanaranda, the best.
What way?
Chandaranda.
To be honest, I like how you pronounce some things.
It's just the Jamaican in me I can't help it, family. In Jamaica, we just make up words, and call
And I
things.
love that. That's why, by the way, most of the times, if you notice, even if I know something is mentioned as Chandarana, I'll always say Chanaranda because
Yeah,
I'm feeling
family.
it's ringing nice.
Hey guys, so guys, we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to Nivers to get some greens and Quick Mart for some nuts. So let's do this. Yeah, family. So I stop in Nivers. That's where I get all my greens. Normally come here to get the greens in Nivers. This is callaloo. Callaloo in Jamaica. Fresh callaloo. And then we have some. This is like pumpkin leaf. It's like pumpkin leaf. It's like pumpkin leaf. This wifey like this one. It's kind of so good. It's quiet. Got spinach. Spinach. Yeah, family, so this is me running through Quick Mart. As you can see, Quick Mart is like a local supermarket. Every county in Kenya you'll find a Quick Mart. That's everything. I like to shop there because I can get my nuts and I get most things I can get in Quick Mart. So I like to shop in Quick Mart, family. So this is what Quick Mart look like. There's all the nuts, Brazil nuts, walnuts, all the spices that you need to cook. Can I have some find them in walnuts? Quick Mart, this is what you have, Lee? Let me have that with some Brazil nuts. 200 grams Brazil nuts. Let me have some.
200 grams?
Yeah, 200 grams. And some. So I'm gonna get some pink salt. I'm have black pepper oil. Black pepper oil. Get some pumpkin seed. Yeah, let me have black pepper. Oh, let me have 100 grams. Yeah, and let me have some Himalayan, like 500 grams, and like 100 grams of pumpkin seed. What else I need? Nothing else. Yeah, family, so I rushed to get some dates because you know, as I know, dates is a part of the diet. It's the natural sugar from the fruits, from the dates. So I get some dates, family. And it's the first time you're watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Really appreciate you watching this video and sharing this video. Comment on this video. Let us know your thoughts and let us know when you come into Africa, family. Let us know because you know